Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to tell you, does Samsung Galaxy A27 have dual SIM and how many SIM slots can you use? Basically, we can use 2 SIM cards at the same time. First, we need to take off the tray. Use the SIM eject tool, place it in the hole, and the tray pops out. Use a little bit of pressure. Use your nail to take it out. As we take a look at the tray, the decision is up to us. In here we have the place for the first SIM card, and in here we have the place for the second one or for an SD card. It is up to you. You can place your SIM cards in the order you want, right in here or right in here. There is also a place for it. So, in here or in here. Now you can insert the tray back into the phone. So the answer is 2 SIM cards at the same time. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.